Bank statement mistakes that you need to avoid when applying for visa. Welcome once again to today's video. If today happens to be your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please kindly share this video to your friends. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to get more information. We share information about travel. We share information on how to get visa sponsorship job, how to apply for job, and how to apply for visa, and how you can build your bank statement, and how you can prepare yourself to travel to your dream country either by school or by job or by visiting is what you're looking for. Then you need to stay with me by subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now let's dive into today's video. We are discussing bank statement mistakes that you need to avoid. Now, I'll be using one of the refusal letters I received from one of my clients. Now, this person applied for UK visitors visa since 2020. He applied in 2020, got refused. 2021, got refused. 2022, got refused. 23, got it means every year, five consecutive times. We got refused five consecutive times. And after reading through the refusal letter, all the refusal letter, this is what I noticed. And I helped him, I guided him through his application, and God being so good, he just got the visa to the United Kingdom. It was a visitor's visa to the United Kingdom. And this person has been applying for the visa since 2020, since 2020, and all his application got bounced just by one mistake, which is associated with his bank statement. So this is how it is. So after going through the refusal letter, I noticed there was a multiple or huge amount of deposits, multiple deposits. Okay, yes, it was about different deposits coming into the bank account, and with all these deposits into the bank account, in his previous application, he did not write any letter to explain the whereabouts of that money. Though, if you are going to apply for visa, they will ask you the money or amount of money you receive every month and you are expending. So this is how they used to calculate. Okay. So if they find any unusual deposit in your bank account, then it is what? A red flag. So whenever you are building your bank statement, make sure you don't deposit any huge amount of money in it. Let's say you earn 5,000 a month, you earn 2,000 a month. Make sure you put in reasonable amount. Okay, let's say you earn 5,000, so you say, okay, you spend about 2,000 of the 5,000, and then you save, let's say 3,000. That is a reasonable amount. But if you say, okay, I earn 5,000 every month, and if they check your bank account and they see that a person who is earning 5,000, there is a huge amount of, let's say, 20,000 being deposited in the bank account for this month, the next month 50,000, the next month 20,000, the next month no, which is above your income, it is what? A red flag. So if, let's say, you have been refused a visa based on this type of mistake due to your bank statement, you can link up with me and I'll help you out to reapply, if only if you want to reapply. And if you want to reapply, make sure you write a cover letter to explain in details whereabouts of that money, where from that extra money which was deposited in your account. You need to prove that this money was deposited into your account, not just that you're using that to a means as a means of traveling to the country that you want to visit. So make sure when you are building your bank statement, make sure you don't deposit any amount above your earnings or your income. Make sure you put in reasonable amount into your bank account. Thank you for watching the video up to this point and see you in the next video. Bye bye.